Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn into a bat and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just bought this Vampire Fang from this limited Halloween merchant. Okay, and this item can turn your avatar into a bat. And after you hold this item on your hand, you can just click on random place and then you can turn into a bat like this for a few seconds. And yeah, it's so cool. But this item is very limited guys. If you want to get this item, I recommend you to go to the Halloween merchant now before it's gone. Okay guys, and that's how we can turn into a bat and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.